Julie Canner, February 4, 2019 at 1:54 p.m. February 4, 2019 at 1:54 p.m. Little Hats. Big Hearts, stylish newborns. Babies born at Baptist Health participated in National Wear Red Day last Friday by wearing donated red knit hats, and babies born at Baptist throughout February, American Heart Month, will be wearing the red hats. The American Heart Association, First Coast Chapter donated over 1,000 red baby caps to Baptist as part of the Little Hats, Big Hearts program. The caps were knitted by volunteers from across Northeast Florida. According to Baptist Health, congenital heart disease is the most common birth defect in the country, while cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in women. The purpose of the tiny red hats is to raise awareness of cardiovascular disease. Tammy Daniel, Senior Vice President and Chief Nursing Officer at Baptist, said this is the third year they have distributed the hats. The red hats are such a special way to symbolize heart health for everyone, both mom and baby, Daniel said. Here's more good news. Crowley Logistics recently transported almost 7,000 pounds of school supplies for students in St. Thomas and St. Croix. Both islands suffered devastation from Hurricanes Irma and Maria in 2017 and are still recovering. The supplies were donated by the United Federation of Teachers Disaster Relief Fund, and Crowley transported them free of charge from South Florida to the islands. Crowley handled all the services from documentation and customs clearance to loading and delivering the containers. Upon arrival, the school supplies were distributed by Randy Weingarten, president of the American Federation of Teachers. The University of North Florida announced that for the 10th year in a row, Victory Media has included UNF in its 2019-20 military-friendly schools list. The list honors those universities, colleges and trade schools that are providing the most resources and best opportunities so veterans and their families can succeed in institutions of higher education. Victory Media provides a survey assessment nationwide to over 8,800 participating institutions. UNF reports that it has over 1,350 veteran or military-affiliated students, which makes up 8% of the student body. Of those students, 97 are active duty, 545 are veterans and 730 are military dependents. For more information about military-friendly schools, go to militaryfriendly.com. St. Leo University, which is based in Tampa and has education centers in Orange Park and at Naval Station Mayport, was also included in the 2019-20 military-friendly schools list. St. Leo was named a top 10 gold-level military-friendly school, placing 7th in the nation in the category of private universities offering doctoral degrees. St. Leo has about 30 education centers including on military bases in California, Florida, Mississippi, South Carolina, Texas, and Virginia. All 4 robotics teams from the Bolles School that participated in the first LEGO League robotics contest in January qualified to advance to the regional championship tournament on February 23 at the Prime Osborne Convention Center. The teams are from the Bolles Middle School Bartram campus and both Bolles Lower School campuses. This is the first time that 4 teams from one school have qualified. The first team to advance to the regional contest was the Bolles PV Bots from the Bolles Lower School Ponte Vedra Beach campus, then the 2 Bartram Bots teams advanced. Bolles Whitehurst team won the Robot Design Award and Robot Performance Award and advanced to the Northeast Florida Regional Championship. The teachers coaching the teams are Gabrielle Fudge, Carolyn Houston, Mark Myers and Beth Zerkowski. Have good news? You can mail to the Florida Times-Union, P.O. Box 1949 Jacksonville, FL 32231 or email jkenner@jacksonville.com.